Hello mga kaswak, so meron tayo ngayong bagong product na i-review. Ito ang Gujudoc Stylus Pen. Yan. So ito ay Superfine Nib Active Capacitive Stylus Pen. So mag-unbox tayo, then we will see kung gaano siya ka-effective sa Android. Pero ang sabi, it's also compatible with iPhone. But we will see later sa ating testing. For now, let's unbox this. Alright, so as you can see, very simple lang yung kanyang box. Logo, Gujudoc, stylus pen, and same sa ilalim. When we open it, ayan, so ito ang kanyang laman. Meron ditong parang leatherette na kanyang cover. Ayan, so dito mo ilalagay yung iyong stylus. Ayan. Tapos, meron tayo ditong user manual. So, dito sa user manual, of course, English manual. At the same time, iba't ibang mga languages. Alright? Tapos, we also have the USB cable charger na, wow! This is already Type-C, so this is faster than the usual USB cable na ating ginagamit. Actually, ito na talagang standard ngayon eh. Then, of course, USB na kanyang adapter. Tapos, meron din tayo ditong extra pin or extra tip. So, whenever na mapudpud to or magkaroon to ng mga scratches and all, meron tayong pamalit. Then, of course, the actual unit. Ayan. So, as you can see, ganyan siya kakapalo. Ayan. So, hindi ko siya nasukat, but para siyang size ng, alam niyo yung Mongol na medyo bigger type of Mongol na pencil. So, very elegant and very useful. Very efficient siya pag hinahawakan mo siya. So you can really write this efficiently or write on this efficiently. Then ito yung kanyang charging port. Yan, as you can see. Ayan. Tapos may logo tayo dito ng Gujudoc. Ayan, Gujudoc, then charging port. That's pretty much it, no? Then ito yung kanyang tip. Ito yung interchangeable or napapalitan. Ayan, iikot mo lang yan. Tapos you can see the capacitive tip dito. Ayan. Tapos ito yung kanyang extra tip or ito yung kanyang same nitong extra tip na kanilang pinoprovide. Ayan. So, pag kailangan nyo siyang palitan, kailangan nyo lang siyang iikot para may kabit. Okay? So, very simple. This is not Bluetooth enabled stylus pen. So, meaning hindi kailangan ng Bluetooth para magamit ito. Pero, rechargeable siya. Meaning, meron siyang sariling battery on its own at kailangan mo siyang i-charge para magamit mo sa iyong tablet, phone, or iPhone. So, to open it, to turn it on, you just need to tap this. Ayan. So, you can see yung blue light. Ayan o, blue pin light. Tapos, pag tinap mo ulit yan, off. Turn on, turn off. Turn on, turn off. Ayan. So, very elegant. White, tapos matte finish. Pag hinawakan mo siya, matte yung kanyang finish. Hindi siya yung glossy na madulas. Although, may pagka-glossy din siya. Pero ito, lalo yung tip na to, very matte. Ayan. Okay, so that's pretty much it, no? Ito lang yung kanyang laman, no? Wala na to. So, yun lang yung kanyang laman. So, again, ang kanyang laman when we unboxed it kanina, the actual unit, yung extra tip, tapos itong kanyang USB Type-C na adapter, manual, and itong kanyang leatherette na cover or pouch. Yan, leatherette pouch. Ang ganda, oh. Making sure na hindi magagasgas ang pag nilalagay nyo sa inyong mga gamit. Now, so now we will test this Gujudoc Stylus Pen, no, kung gaano siya ka-effective and ka-efficient. So, meron tayo ditong Mi Pad 5 para sa ating Android demo. So, yan. So, as you can see, naka-on na siya ngayon. Ayan, no, color blue. Then, let's try dito sa ating Google Keep. Magsulat. So, ayan. Color blue. Let's try. Wow. See? Gaano siya ka-smooth at gaano siya ka-very responsive. See? So, try natin, burahin natin, tapos try natin magpalit. Ayan. Tingnan natin ng ibang color. Ayan, lakayan natin. Ayan. Ayan. Wow! Very responsive. Kita nyo, walang ka-delay. See? Galing! Ayos na ayos siya mga kaswak, no? Napaka-responsive niya. Walang delay. At the same time, kung ano talaga yung stroke mo. So, kung ikaw magaling ka mag-doodle, ako hindi. Hindi ako marunong mag-drawing or whatever. Pero kung ikaw mahilig ka mag-doodle, mahilig kang sulat-sulat using the note, this is very useful tool. Itong stylus pen na to. Tapos, ang dali niyang hawakan. I have S23 Ultra. However, problem ko doon, sobrang liit nung kanyang S Pen. So, ang nagiging issue ko is medyo nangangalay ako kasi ganyan ang hawak ko sa S Pen na yon. Kasi nga manipis, maliit. Pero ito, see kung gaano siya ka-efficient kapag hinahawakan. So, sulat ulit tayo, no? Try natin, no? Yan, okay. Ayan, see? Very responsive. Walang delay. Ayan. Wow, galing. So we can say na talagang working siya, very efficient at napakaayos ng kaniyang stroke dito sa ating Android. Then one good thing din dito, no, you can use this sa inyong mga study, no. Ako ginagawa ko rin ito eh. Ito, for example, you have this kind of PDF file, no. So ito, this is one that we use sa aming Bible study with the kids. So yeah, no. So you can highlight, no. Use this as a highlighter. See? Teka. Ayan, okay. You can ayan, underline it or cross it out, whatever. Okay. Then alam ko hanap tayo ng highlighter tool. Ito yung highlighter tool na nata. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? When you're studying, this is a very good tool na kapag nagbabasa ka, no? Habang nagbabasa ka, you can highlight yung mga things na gusto mong i-highlight. For example, ayan, Job would pray for his family and ask God for forgiveness on a regular basis. See? Napaka useful. Marami pong pwedeng paggamitan nitong inyong nitong Goodudok stylus pen. So this is one of the few things na it can do. And of course, kung ayaw nyo you can browse it. You can use it whatever dito sa you can browse it and you can read and browse. Ayan, using the pen. See? Napaka useful niya. Right now, let's try it with the iPhone, no? Kasi syempre, some of you are asking, okay kaya siya sa iPhone? I already tried it, and it's okay, it's working. Let's try it now. Alright guys, so we have now the iPhone. So, para sa mga nagtatanong, no? Kung working siya, for the sake of demo, we are here sa Google Keep, no? Na writing pad. So, yan, as you can see, same. Yung responsiveness ay same kung ano yung naranasan ko dun sa Android. Ayan, very responsive. Parehong pareho guys. So this is using Google Keep. So I can say na parehong pareho lang ang aking feel between Android and iPhone. So, ibig sabihin, working siya the same as Android. Kung ano yung function niya sa Android, parehong-pareho lang when you're using when you're using it in an iPhone. So, kanina, no, we're using Google Keep. So, ngayon, try natin sa actual Apple Notes, no. dito sa Apple Notes is the same, no? You can still use it the same. Ayan, no? You can still write on it. Yan, very responsive. Same response. Ayan, napaka-smooth. So, ibig sabihin, it works on Apple Note. It works on Google Note as well. So, yeah, basically, you can use this the same way kung paano mo ginagamit ang isang stylus pen. So, there you have it, guys, no? GoodUDock Stylus Pen. It works both on Android and iPhones. Mabibili lang natin siya below 500 pesos sa GoodUDock's official store. So, lalagay ko yung link kung saan nyo pwedeng mabili ito. So, see you next time mga kaswak, no? Para sa mga iba pang mga product reviews. Bye-bye.